Every day, we welcome thousands of passengers at Changi Airport. To ensure the best experience for everyone, we start with the smallest of details. From the moment you arrive, you'll find easy access at every terminal, from ramps to Kerb-free drop-offs across the airport. Our fast kiosks let you check in independently with friendly staff always nearby if you need assistance. Across all terminals, our automated immigration lanes help make clearance seamless. But we also know some passengers may prefer extra support. That's why our special assistance lanes allow families to go through together. At Changi, there is so much to discover and experience, and we hope to make you feel truly welcome. For those who may find a busy airport overwhelming, we have created a sensory map, a simple guide to quiet spaces where you can pause and rest. Like the calm room, a safe, soothing environment thoughtfully designed for neurodivergent travelers and those who may need a little time and space before their flight. For travelers with autism, the Changi Airport Social Story covers everything you can expect in your airport journey, helping you and your loved ones feel more at ease. At Changi, we believe the magic of travel is for everyone.